Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you where and how you can perform the premium blacklist check of your Huawei Nova 13. So to do that, first enter your phone and dial this number in your phone app, and this will result in you seeing your IMEI number of your phone. Now enter the IMEI.info website and enter the IMEI right here. Now you will be able to see some basic info about your phone, as well as the basic checks and the advanced ones. And if you press Blacklist Premium Check, you'll have to pay $4 and the phone will be checked in terms of getting blacklisted on some blacklists. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.